Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add transition to your video in CapCut PC. So go to media and import your video you like to edit, and for example going to select my video, and this only one video. And how you can add the transition, you can clip the clip before into some part, and you can click transition and select the transition you like. For example, I'm going to select the stroke. Adjust for duration here. Apply to all the clip. So there we go. This is the final effect with the transition. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please write in this comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.